Welcome, fellow travelers of the bizarre and historical. Today, we're diving deep into one of Florida's strangest chapters, the Koreshan Unity, founded by the enigmatic Cyrus Teed in the late 19th century. Teed had a belief system that was, well, truly out of this world, or rather, in it. He believed humans lived inside the Earth, not on its surface. The sun, moon, and stars, just reflections within this enclosed cosmic sphere. Cyrus Teed wasn't just a theorist, he was a charismatic leader. He convinced hundreds to follow him to Estero, southwest Florida. His vision? A utopian community that would eventually house 10 million people. They called him Koresh, the Hebrew word for Cyrus. The Koreshan Unity practiced some rather unique tenets. Strict celibacy was the rule, communal living was the way of life, and their beliefs blended spirituality with pseudo-science. Gravity was a lie, they claimed, and the sun, apparently, battery-powered. At its height, the Koreshan Unity boasted around 200 dedicated members. They built a thriving settlement, complete with lush gardens, a busy bakery, their own printing press, and even generated their own electricity. Life in the Unity was self-sufficient and ordered. They were truly committed to Koresh's vision. One of their most fascinating creations was the rectilineator, a device they used to prove they were living inside the Earth, a testament to their unwavering, albeit unconventional, faith. But like many utopian dreams, the Koreshan Unity faced its biggest challenge: the death of Cyrus Teed in 1908. His followers held on to a desperate hope. They expected Koresh to resurrect, keeping his body for days. But the resurrection never came. With their leader gone, the Unity began a slow decline. Members passed away or moved on. By 1961, the last remaining members made a significant decision. They deeded their land to the state of Florida, preserving the site of their failed Utopia. Today, you can visit the Koreshan State Historic Site in Estero. Walk among the remnants of this peculiar history. See the buildings. Imagine the life they lived. And yes, you can even see the famous rectilineator, a tangible link to their incredible belief in a world turned inside out. It's a reminder that history, especially in Florida, is often stranger than fiction. From hollow earth theories to expected resurrections, the story of the Koreshan Unity is truly wild. Florida never disappoints when it comes to strange history. If you found this journey into the bizarre fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with fellow history and alt travel enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to Be Alt Traveler for more unconventional explorations.